Hey, birdie, birdie.
Try and pet it.
I'm not going to try and pet it. I'm just recording.
I bet you it's nice.
Trying to see that beak up under there.
I know. I want to see its eyes.
Okay, that's enough of this. I'm not getting no closer to this one.
Maybe it's
I'm trying to get him to look up to see what kind of feet he got or something. Well, this is more. I don't want to step down. I want to see something else or some shit come up out of here.
Look at the side. The side of it. On this side with the blue that Look at that.
That's some type of a wild chicken or something, babe.
Wild chickens don't sit on branches.
A bird or something? Look at it. I can't even see the feet. It's some kind of bird when the wings open up.
Well, maybe what kind of bird do you think it is?
I don't know. We're going to have to look and see.
What are we going to look at? Is it an eagle?
No, it's not no eagle.
Try and pet it. I bet you it lets you.
I'm not trying to pet that thing. Is you crazy? You lucky I'm this close.
Get
Okay.
closer.
Wait, bye-bye, birdie, birdie.
Maybe it might be hurt.
It's not hurt, baby. I'm looking at the beak. I'm telling you, it is crazy.